Actually, I thought to come there today. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Nothing, sir. It is.
Okay,
Continue,
fine.
sir.
So let us continue with our scripts. So till where we have done this?
Up to details, sir.
Yeah. So up to details window we have done, and now today we are going to
Yes,
do the main window. Okay.
Okay,
So before that, see what I want to put here. So this is a delivery note. Okay. In the delivery note, there should be something like material numbers. I want to list material number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Material description, and what is the quantity of the materials, and these kind of things I want to list down.
mention. Yes, sir.
So these details will be available in table. So yesterday we have seen the table name. Remember, the table name is LIPS. Somebody recording the session so that the people, those who are missing, they can listen.
Okay, sir. I am
Please
started
record
the
this session.
recording.
Yeah, fine. So now what I'll do, SE11 I'll go. I'll take LIKP. This is the header, and LAPS. This is the item table. Yeah, correct. So here what I'll do, from this item table, I want to take the item number, okay, and the material number. Material number will be somewhere MATNR, and LFIMG is the actual quantity delivered, and units of measure, base unit of measure.
Material.
And weight, net weight, or I can put the net weight, NTGW, net weight.
Description of the material.
Description, that's what I'm searching. There will be something.
MAKTX. No?
Description.
At 13 MAKT.
No, here in this table also there will be a field called ARKTX, which indicates the description. No need to go for MAKT table. Yeah, see here.
Yes, sir. ARKTX.
Yeah, ARKTX. This is a short text for the item. So these details I want to put it in my delivery note. So now, before that I'll put the headings. First I'll put a serial number as a heading here. After serial number, I want to put it here as a item number, then material number, material description, then basic, then material description. What else? Quantity, base unit of measure, and net weight. Okay. So I think this will be more. So I will remove this. I don't want to put the item number. So I'll put the remaining things. Fine. So let me take you into the SE71 screen. Go to SE71. Give here the script name. Give the change mode. Go to the layout. So now the layout came. So now I am trying to put the column headings. Okay, so this is the column headings. Click on this button, text button. So now here I am putting the headings, column headings. First I will say serial number. I'll put 2 commas. 2 commas are equivalent to what?
One tab space.
1 tab space, correct. So I am putting 1 tab space. This tab space I will define it later. Okay. So I am putting, actually first what we need to do, we need to create a paragraph format. We need to put the paragraph format here, and then based on the paragraph format related tabs, we need to put the tabs here. But now what I am doing, I am first putting the tabs, and then afterwards I will create a paragraph format. I will put the tab positions in that. Okay, so I am giving here serial number, after that material number, and then
Description of the material.
Material description. So material description, after that I want
Quantity.
Quantity, actually quantity or quantity. Then base,
net weight. Okay, so
base unit of measure, unit. I want base unit
Then
of
net weight.
of measure, base unit of measure. I'll put like this, and then I'll say net weight. So still, if the space is not sufficient, then what you need to do? You can remove this and you can put. Otherwise, you can also go here, go edit, page left right. So here net weight you can put. What you need to do? Edit, page left right, and see. And now one more thing. So what I want, actually base unit, below the base unit I want of measure, base unit of measure should be read out. So how many tabs are there for base unit? Here this is one tab position. Okay, here there is another tab, second tab. Here there is a third tab. Here there is a fourth tab. So after 4 tabs of measure should come. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 tabs of measure will come. So after 4 tabs base unit will come. After 4 tabs of measure will come. Totally, when you see the script, below exactly this B, this O will start. Of measure O will start. Let us see how it appears. And now we need to give here a paragraph format, correct? So I will give the paragraph format here P7. P7 is not yet created. I will create it. So now go to the paragraph format. Okay, I have this P3 side headings. So I will copy this paragraph format into P7. I will copy this. P7. So P7 is a headings, side headings, something like headings. What is the font size? Font size is 12 and bold is on. But there were no tabs. So now let us see, without any tab, how it appears. Without giving tabs, how the output appears. Let us see.
Vinay,
Go to the program.
It has happened like this.
Give here LP01. Print preview. See, if you observe here, how it was coming. Serial number, material description, quantity, base unit, this base, this off should come, this B, below this B off measure should come, and net
Yes,
weight,
sir.
like that it should come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'll say serial number. After the serial number, and now I'll try to give the tab spaces. First tab space I'll give 1 centimeter. After 1 centimeter, that means in the print preview I'll show you. So serial number, some starting from here, it will leave some 1 centimeter. Then material number will start. After that, I leave 4 centimeters.
Material number.
Second tab space I'll put 4 centimeters. Third tab space I'll put 8 centimeters. Fourth tab space I'll put 12 centimeters. And fifth tab space I'll put a 15 centimeters. So now let us see. Now I'll activate the script. Going back to the report, once again I will execute. Okay, so serial number, material description. Material description I think okay, but for serial number there was more space. I can reduce some space here. Material is from the material description and quantity, there is no good space is available, so I can reduce the tab space. So only the thing is you need to adjust it here, that's it. So now what I will do, I will adjust it. I will make 0.7 I will make. Okay, after that this I will make 3.5. Material description, material number will start. After that material description will start. I'll put 14 here. I'll put 11 here. Let us see now what will happen. Still I think I can reduce. See, the distance between a serial number and material number I can still reduce. Let me just go to the layout and check column headings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tab spaces are there, correct?
Yes, sir. Point 4, 3.3.
First tab space itself, this should be, I think, no, I'll give 3. 3.5, I'll give the first tab space. Second, I'll give 8. No. Third, I will give 12. Fourth, I'll give 14. Fifth, I'll give 15. Let us. But serial number will not take more. One centimeter is enough for serial number. 4 for material number and another 4 centimeters. 8 for material description. It should be correct. 12 for no use. I'll do one thing. I'll just try to reduce the font size. So now serial number, material description. It was coming. Base unit is also coming. Base unit. Net weight. Base unit of measure is not coming because the length is not sufficient. I'll tell you why it was not coming. Go to the layout. Here column headings is there. This column headings has a width. What is the width of this? No, height of this 10. I'll make the height is 15. Okay. So now the width is increased. Column headers width got increased. Now main window width I will decrease. Main window upper margin. Upper margin should be 95.
Yes, sir.
Not 95, 105. Okay, and window height should be 95.
95. So it's 195.
Yeah. No, it's 95. Okay. Now let us see. Okay, fine. And one more cause is this net weight is going for the another line, so that is why it was coming here. Okay, so I'll bring the base unit of measure little towards left hand side, and net weight will come in one line. So what is the first? This is the first tab space. Second, third, fourth tab space I need to reduce. Fourth tab space, instead of 12 I will put it as 11. I will put this as 14. Now it will come exactly. Okay, so serial number, material description, quantity, base unit of measure, net weight. So see now, it's exactly B below half measure is coming, base unit of measure, which is coming in the second line. And after serial number, for material number I want some small gap. So I'll increase the length of this, 1.2 I'll make. Okay, so now a gap is there here. So now here I want to print the serial number below this, material numbers, material description, quantity, base unit of measure, and net weight. These things I want to put. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'm getting a call. Okay. So now I just want to show you some syntax to by using which we can create some frame kind of thing or box kind of intensity thing. I'll show you. So let me take you into the column headers window. So here, what I'll do, I'll give this line something called command line. If you observe this, see this one, this is called command line. Okay. So give this. So I'll give here box intensity 10 TW. Okay, let us give this and what will happen. Wait. Box frame intensity 10 box frame. So just go here, box frame intensity 10, that's it, no need to give TW. Let me check this. Correct?
Yes.
See, background of serial number, material number, some shading was coming. So if you want to give a shading, you can give this box intensity 10 TW. Or if you want to increase the shading, you can give some 40. So more darkness will come if you give 40. That means now I'll execute the report once again. Okay, so like this. So this is a background, something like a background color. If you want to highlight something with a background, so you can highlight like this. So now what I want to do is, I don't want this much, like I have increased, actually previously the width of this window is 15, I have increased it to, previously it is 10, I have increased it to 15. I will change it back to the
Previous.
10. Window height, I'll make it 10. I'll go to the main window, I will increase the width. Upper margin 100, window width is 160, window height is 100. Okay, so now you know how to put the column headings. Now I want to give the details here. Below this, I want to give the details. So these details are available in which table?
PS.
LIPS table. So go to your program and write the logic. So here I'll say get the item details. Now I'll give here select star from LIPS into table. Which table? We need to declare one internal table, correct? So I will go and declare one internal table. Data itab type table of LIPS, and I will also declare one work area. So better I will declare work area like this. Work area underscore LIPS type LIPS. So here what shall I give? Into table itab where VBELN is a common field between LIKP and LIPS, header table and item table. So I'll give where weblen equal to LIKP hyphen VBELN. So LIKP data we are already fetching. Here already we are fetching the data into LIKP. So whatever the data is there in the LIKP work area with the particular weblen, with the particular document number, get the data from LIPS and put it into the table itab. Okay? So now I want to write the data. To write the data, what I will do?
Right form.
Yeah, write form. So here I will say write the data into main window. So now what I will do? I have maybe 4 records or 5 records. Correct? Item records will be more than one. So what I will do? I will say loop at itab into work area LIPS. I will say write form. What is the window name?
Column heading. COL.
MEIN. Column headings is only for headings.
Yes, yes.
I want to write this in main window. I'll write the main window. Text element, I have not given any text element. I'll give it and then I will put. And here I will say and loop.
Clear work area is necessary.
Okay, now what I'm doing? Maybe my internal table is having some 5 records or 6 records. I'm looping the internal table and inside the loop I'm calling the write form. Okay, so my first record will come into this work area LAPS. Correct?
Yes.
So similarly,
Yes, sir.
what I will do to print the serial number, I will declare one variable. Serial number we have given now. To print the serial number, I'll say data count of length 2, otherwise count length of 3, type C.
Yes.
Okay. So then what I will do? This count variable is there. Before loop, I will say count is equal to 1. Just before the loop I am saying count is equal to 1. So when first record will come here, count is 1. After that, now here what I will do? Count is equal to count plus 1. So now count will be 2. Now whenever the second record will come, write form will go with the count number 2. Whenever the third record will come, count will go write form will go with the count number 3. Like that count I am incrementing every time. Okay. So now I'll save this, check this and activate. Now go to the layout of the script. Go to the main window.
Sir? Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Instead of count, you can use a system variable, right? So
Yeah, instead of count, we can also use a system variable. So what is the system variable?
tab X. TABIX.
Site ABX.
Yes, sir.
Site ABX.
Yes, sir.
But one thing, Site ABX. See, Site ABX has some limitations. Now what you are doing? You are looping. Loop a tab into the work area. That is okay. So whenever the first record comes into the work area, Site ABX will become 1. After that, what you are doing? You are calling the function module. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Assume that inside the function module another loop is there.
Okay.
Then what will happen? Site ABX.
Sir, this is internal table index, right? Site
Correct.
ABX system
Correct.
variable is the internal table.
Index.
Yeah,
That's
correct.
internal
Assume that inside the function module one more internal table is there and one more loop is there.
Oh,
Now what will happen to the Site ABX?
this question
Okay,
I got
toggle.
early, sir. I didn't ask you. I get this problem for me. What happened, sir?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Your voice is too low, I think, Chetan.
Yes, sir. This question I got early, sir. Before this, I got this question.
Okay.
I
Okay,
think
fine.
it increased.
So actually,
It will increase it, sir. Next,
it is increased, huh?
maybe, sir. It will. Yes, sir. This is the limitation, I think.
Maybe. Yeah, this Site ABX, see, Site ABX, when you can use, immediately if you know, say for example, I will go to the program. See here, after loop statement, immediately here in this, Site ABX is 1, definitely 1. When the loop is coming second time, here if you are writing site habits, that is true. But once it is going inside the function module, we don't know what code is there inside the function module. If you go inside this function module, there is a lot of code. See, I'll go inside the function module. Okay, so there is a lot of function module. Again, some function modules are it's calling. See, again, some case statements, some perform, some read statements, everything are there. So while code is going through this, while the cursor is going through this, maybe somewhere some loop statement or read statement will be there where your site habits will change. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So don't believe on the site habits. And one more thing, site habits will occupy 8 digits. Count will occupy only, we have declared count with only 3 digits. Count is of 3. Okay, we have
3.
Given only 3 digits. So now what I will do here, I will put a paragraph format P6 in the main window. P6 also not created, I will create it later. So here I will give count. After count, first tab, the next one. What is the next one? Material number.
Yes.
Right? Work area hyphen LIPS hyphen MATNR.
Second tab space.
After that, material description, work area LIPS hyphen ARKTX. After that, work area LIPS hyphen quantity. Correct?
Quantity, sir. Yes, sir.
Quantity means what? LFIMG, I think. Let us see. Go to the LIPS table. Quantity is, yeah, LFIMG. After that, work area LIPS hyphen base unit of measure, that means mains, MEINS.
Yes, sir.
Work area LIPS hyphen net weight.
NETG. Net weight. NETG.
Yeah, NETGW. Yeah. I given this, come back, activate. Now what I will do, go to the paragraph format. There is a paragraph format P7 which has the proper tab spaces. We have tab spaces defined for P7, right? So what I will do, I will copy this P7 as a P6, continue, and in the font I will remove the bold. I don't want bold for this. But tab spaces are same as that of the P7. Now let us see how the output looks like. Grouped under a text element. So we need to give a text element here. So I'll give item. Okay. Now let us come to our program. We are calling this main window, correct, inside the loop. So this is inside the loop. This is a loop statement. So here I'll give the text element item. Window is main. Now let me execute. So now see, it was coming like this. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4. That is coming correct. Material number M01, M02, M10, 12. So material description also coming. And quantity see it was moved away. So I just want to bring it here. Quantity, base unit of measure and net weight. And remember one more thing. Whenever you are dealing with the numeric values, give the right alignment. Whenever you are doing for the text, give the left alignment. Okay. So now quantity is numeric values. So I will give right alignment. Go to the paragraph format. Go to the P6 tab space. So this is the first tab space, second, third. So third tab space I'll give.
What is here?
Fourth and fifth, is it? Third tab space. I'll give this as a right alignment. Right aligned. Let me check how the output will be. It's still disturbed.
Net weight also we need to give like that one.
Which one?
Net weight 84.
1.2 first is okay. 1.2 is okay, and after that material number, the 4 cm is also okay. After that 8. This is right. Okay. This I'll give as a left only, not a problem. After that 11 is there. That 11 I'll give probably. This is 8.
So net weight is numeric, right?
3. I'll put here 8. Instead of 8 I'll put 10 or something. 11 I'll put, but I'll give a right alignment. Okay. So now I think these are all aligned, but this is just concatenating with the PC. So I'll make it as 10. Let us see. Mm-hmm. 10 it was not taking, because I think this description is occupying more space. I'll reduce this. Okay, so 5 is coming up here, and PC, okay, and net weight should come here. I'll make 14 or I'll make 15, right? Okay. So now this is how you can align this. Fine. So see, even then exactly you want quantity above this, then you adjust the column header windows related tabs, E7 paragraph related tabs, and these tabs you need to adjust furthermore so that you can get it exactly one below the other. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is a net weight. So and this is your item details. And this space, see, after 1 immediately there is no space in between 1 and 2. If you want to give some space, go to the tabs, standard, paragraph format, line spacing, you give here 2 lines. Instead of 1 line, line spacing, you give the 2 lines. If you give 2 lines, how the output will be? It will be like this. It's more spacious. In between each and every item, a space line will be there. Okay. So this is how your main window. That means this is how you need to print the main window related details. Got it? Now the next one. Next one is conditions window. And before going to that conditions window, say for example, the items are some 100 items. Here only 4 are there. If 100 items are there, then what will happen?
The space will not be sufficient for that one.
So then what will happen? I'll go to the table. Okay. I will take a material which is having some 100 or more than that. PUSNR. Let me check what it is having. It's generally having 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So now I will take 100 which is having more than 100. So these are the things, these are the items which are having, these are the documents, delivery documents which are having more than 100. So now I'll give here this billing document number. See, if you observe, this billing document number has 11 items, 11 different material numbers, maybe different descriptions and all. Now I'll give that particular billing document number here. What is the billing document number? This one. I'll give it here. I'll execute the program. Let us see what will happen. What happened? Because the material description is occupying more and more space, the alignment got disturbed. Okay. So, but what happened? If you observe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 items are coming in first page. Now see, again the page is extended to second. Now if you go to the next page, this is the second page where 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, these are coming up. Here the description is having less length, so quantity, base unit of measure are coming like this. So anyway, if you can limit the number of letters in the description for 20 or 30, something like that. Say for example, go to the layout, go to the main window. Here, material description, I want to limit for maximum 20 characters. If it is more than 20 characters, I don't want to print. Then I will give in brackets 20. So maximum 20 characters length will be printed as a description. Let me check the output now. See, now if you see, all these are aligned, because what happening after 20th character, if something is there, we are just cutting off. Okay, if you want to put all the characters, then you reduce the font size. Okay, so then it will come. Now all the 11 items are coming in the same page. I don't want to put everything in the same page, so what I will do, I will put the line spacing as 3. So now if you observe, 7 items are coming in the first page and remaining 4 items are coming in the second page. Okay. So by this, what you can understand is, if the main window content overflows automatically second page will be generated. Correct? So this is the main window. If the main window content overflows, that means some 100 items are there or 200 items are there, then automatically second page will be created.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So in interview also you will get this question. How many types of windows are available in script? So there are 3 types of windows are available. First one is the main window. Second one is the constant window. Third one is a variable window. Okay, where we can see this? You go to the layout.
Sir,
Go to the layout. Here, take any window. This is the main window, this is the address window, and so on and so forth. We are saying take any window. Options. What options? No, not this one. What I can do? Yes. Utility settings, form painter. I will remove the graphical form painter. Then see here window type is there now. If you observe. Okay, so this is what address to is a variable window. VAR means variable window. So there are mainly 3 types of windows. Main window, this is the main window, and another one is a constant window, another one is a variable window. This graphics just will put for logos, grid screen. So now main window means what? What is the special property does a main window have?
it continues.
If the content of the main window exceeds, automatically the second page will be generated by default. Now what is the constant window?
Its size will not vary at any cases.
Come again? So I didn't get you.
The size of the window will not be changed in any case.
Not the size of the window, actually speaking, the position and the content of the window. Okay. So what I meant to say is, if you create a window in the first page, in the second page also the window will appear until and unless you change the window type.
Okay.
Okay, with the same content. Now variable window means something which changes.
Okay.
What you can vary? You can vary the content of the particular window based on the conditions. So that is a variable window.
Okay.
For example, if the company code is 100, I want the heading as JK Info. If the company code is 200, I want the heading as PS Software Solutions. So based on some conditions, if you want to vary the content, define the window as variable window. Okay. If you want the same content in all the pages, define the window as constant window. Okay. So most of the times we will use a variable window. Any window by default we will create, that will be a variable window, and we will create also a main window to display the item related details.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So now you know what is the main window. Now the next thing is, we will go for the next thing, that is the conditions window. Conditions windows are something like which changes, like say for example, one company will be there, that company will give an offer for say Dasra. There is a Dasra festival, so offers are there is an offer and they will give some 10% discount. After that Dasra will go, then after Dasra Deepavali will come. Then what these people will do? Now Deepavali Dhamaka they will put, they will give some 20% offer.
Yes, sir.
Then after Deepavali, Christmas will come. Then again it will change. Okay, like
Yes, sir.
that, some conditions will keep on changing based on the seasons.
Okay, sir.
So now, if you want to put such kind of conditions, there is something called, we have already defined conditions window. In this conditions window, we will put the conditions. Okay. So actually the thing is, here I can write, what I can write here, Deepavali offer of 20%, something I will write it here. But after that, what will happen? After 1 month, the condition will change. At the time, once the conditions are changed, then what I need to do? I need to come to SE71 transaction. I need to go to this conditions window. I need to change it. I need to do everything. Correct? So that is little
Yes, sir.
complex. So to do, so what we will do? We will go to SO10 transaction. There is a transaction called SO10. Go to this transaction. SO10. Press enter. Create here conditions. Give some name. I'm giving Z conditions. You can give any name. Click on create. You put whatever conditions you want here. So I'll put the condition like this. This is the delivery note, correct? Goods once delivered will not be taken back. This kind of conditions, some terms and conditions you can put. Second one, what else I can put? In case of any queries, please contact
Customer care.
Chetan@jkinfo. Something like whatever you want, you put it. So now the third one, if the amount paid, otherwise if the total amount paid before
Delivery.
1 week of delivery, you will get 2% discount or something. I'll continue. I want to continue in the same line. So what I'll do? I'll remove this star. I'll put it. Okay. So like this, you can put the conditions. Save this. So and observe one thing. When I'm saving, there is no prompt here. Shall I save it in a local object or package? There is no box pop-up was coming. It's blindly saving. Okay. Save it. Come back. So now what you have done? You have created something called Z conditions. Now I'll go to the script. I will call the conditions here. Those conditions which I have created in SO10. That I will call here. How to call? Insert text, standard text. Give the text name and what else? Standard text. Z conditions. And what is the text ID? Text ID is ST. So here also ST is there. What is the language? Language is EN. Here also I am giving EN. Continue. So a code is system is automatically generating some code. Come back. Activate. Now go to the program and try to execute the program. the conditions are coming up here. Okay. So whatever the conditions you have given, those conditions are coming.
Sir.
So now the next one. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Sir, if
Yeah, tell me.
conditions are more number, then it will take another page, na, sir?
No, it won't take.
Then
Because the conditions window is not a main window. If it is a main window, then only it will expand.
Okay, sir. We can we create
Okay.
main windows more than one?
Yeah, you can create more than one main window in scripts. There is a
Okay.
possibility. How to
Okay,
create?
sir.
Let us see. So now what you can do is, but generally we will put only one main window. But now if you want to create another main window, so if you want to create another main window, what I suggest to you is main window. Yeah. See, whenever it is saying 00 main window. Okay. 00 main window.
Okay.
Similarly, if you want to create another main window, you give it here 01. That is a second main window. Okay. If you want to create 02 main window, like that, you can create 99 main windows in script. The maximum possible is 99.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine. I'll go to the program. Yeah, conditions are coming now. The next window is a signature window, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now let me put the signature window. So here I'll go and change mode. Signature window is quite simple, like signature of the delivery person, signature of the customer.
108.
I'll say here signature of customer, and then signature of
Delivered person.
yeah, driver or whoever it may be, delivery person. So that also now you can see that, correct? So now the signature of both the persons, it was coming up here. I want to give the footer also. Okay. How to give the footer? Generally footer contains the address of the company, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now I can create a condition, just like conditions. I can create a footer here, Z footer, and then I will give that. I can call it in the script. Otherwise, the script window directly I can write. So I will say this is 71. Here I will give P5. Do you know the address? I don't want to type. I just check the address. want to put it here. The next line, I want to put the phone number. Something, I don't know whether these numbers are correct or not. Come back, activate, go to the paragraph format, create a paragraph format P5, create new paragraph format. This is for footer,
Center.
and alignment I will make it as a center. Font size I'll say hell 8. So I'll go to the window, outline. So this, go to the layout, go to the footer window once again. I want to put a underline first. So I want to put a U line. Okay. So if you want to put a U line, I need to give
U line. Can you use U line, sir?
yeah, SYST U line or U line of length. How much? Maybe some 80 I will give. Let us see after that. If the underline is coming, then we will see. Okay. So this is how the footer is coming. If you want to put the footer just below, that means if you don't want it here, if you want to put it here, what you need to do, you just drag the window.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how we will create the layouts using SAP. So now your script was completed. See, the script is which we will do in a real time. So that means we won't do more than this in real time also. Okay, so most of the things you have learned here, including the alignments, including the backgrounds, logos, and taking up different address, putting up the conditions, footers, everything. Okay. So this you can use something like a real time object, this script. So now there are some additional points in scripts. So I want to discuss those. In your booklet, please make a note. There is a command called. There are different commands available in scripts. Now, what are the different commands? So first command is address and address. Address and address. This is a command. Why this command is used? Any idea? What is the address and address command? If somebody has done some googling, then you may come to know what is the address and address. Okay. The thing is, see, every country has its own specified postal format.
Yes, sir.
For example, in India, what you will write? You will write the street first while writing the address. What you will write? You will write the door number and what is the building name. After that, street. After that, city. After that, state. Correct.
Yes.
But there are some countries in which you will write the city first. After that, you will write the country. After that, you will write the street. After that, you will write the door number and something. Each and every country has its own postal standard formats. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now, if you want to meet the postal standards based on the sending country, say for example, from India, I am sending the email. I am sending the post to the German country. Okay. So now, what will happen? Finally, the cover or the letter, what I have written, that will reach to the Germany, and in Germany, the address should be as per their standards. Correct? The address should be as per sending country standards. Okay. So by using address and end address, you can achieve the address format of the sending country. Please make a note. Address and end address is used to get the format of the sending country address.
Okay.
Okay. So the same thing, there is a function module. I'll just search the function module. There is a function module. The function module will also do the same thing. Address into print form, I think. ADDRE address into print form. I think this is a function module. Let me check it. Yeah, correct. Address into print form. There is a function module. Okay. So this function module has some input and output parameters. For this particular function module, if you give the address number, okay, then what it will do? It will give you a table where the address will be formatted. See, this is the formatted address. In the given format, it will give you the address. You just print the address. What you need to do? You need to call this function module in the print program. Okay. You just need to call this function module in the print program or driver program. So you need to pass the address number. See, this is the address number. You know what is the address number for the customer, address number for the other like sold to party or something else. Correct? Once you get the address number, you pass the address number to this function module. Okay. And what is the sending country? See, this is the sender country. Sender country is Germany or England or whatever it may be. You just pass the sending country. So based on the sending country, what it will do? This function module will give you the address. You take the address lines and print the address lines in the script. This is one way. And the other way is address and address. Use this address and end address. How to use address and end address? I'll just try to show you in a Google. You try to implement it. We have created two windows, correct? ADD1 and ADD2. In that ADD1 and ADD2, what you can do is you try to write this. See the syntax. address. You can give something here, delivery, paragraph, A, priority, P lines. Otherwise, if you don't want to give, don't give this. You simply write address. That's it. No need to give the other things. Okay. Then title, if you want to give, that means sales organization address, customer address. That kind of title you want to give, you can give this title. Then name, street, post box, postal code, city, region, country, from country, and ended. And at the end, you need to give the end address. So once you give this, then what will happen? The address will be automatically formatted as per the sending country. Okay, so this is the syntax. If you want to note it down, just make a note. Every time you need to use a command line. You know how to get the command line? Now what you need to do is go to your Dell note. I'll just show you what to do. You do it. Go to the address window. So after this text element, what you will do? You select this command line. Okay. So what is there here? Address. Copy this and put it. Address. Next, title is there. So give the next line. Select the command line. You give here title. Instead of title, you give here sales org address. Okay, and next line. Next line, what you need to do? Select this command line. Name. Name means here work area sales name 1. That is name. So name, after name, you need to give the name. After name, what these people are giving? Name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4. So we will give the name 1. Okay. And then next one. Like that, you need to fill all this. Name, address, postal box, so on and so forth. If you fill all this, then the address will be printed as per the company specific format. Okay, will you try to do it?
Okay, sir. We will try.
Yeah, you try it. If you are not getting, you tell me. If you want to note down the syntax, note down. I will just keep open this session.
Okay, sir.
If you want to make a note, then you can just take this syntax.
Sir, we took that one.
All these which were given in capital letters, address, title, name, these are keywords. You need to write this as it is.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So shall we go for the next command?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So once we done with the address command, we have another command called top and top. Okay. Top and top. Another command is bottom and bottom. So there are two commands, top and top, bottom and bottom. top and top is used, top and top, bottom and bottom, both these are used in main window. These are used in main window.
Okay, sir.
So now let me take you into the main window. If you remember, we are looping the main window, correct?
Yes, sir.
In the program, we are doing loop at item into the work area, and then we are calling the main window.
Yes, sir.
So anything I will write here. So for example, I will write here item details. I'll say item details. I'll put a heading like this. Activate. Okay. Now I want to print it.
It will execute all the time.
I'll print it. How many times item details will come?
How many time loop execute? That time it will execute. It will print, sir.
Those many times it will come. See, item details, item details, item details. For every time it was coming. But I want to put only once at the top. At the top when the main window executes. So I will use the event top and top. So put here command
Just like
line.
a control break statement, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Control break statement. At first.
I'll use here top. Item details, whatever. And then one more control statement. Command line. And top. Now activate this. So now see, item details, it was coming only once. Wait. And the top I have given, correct? Let me change this. I will put the text element here after this. See, now these item details are coming only once, and after that the other items are coming. Okay, similarly bottom and bottom. Bottom and bottom means, now tell me what is that bottom and bottom will do?
Total quantity. If you want to write some total quantity.
If you want to put the total quantity, then you can use bottom and bottom. That means it will be inside the loop only. That will be called in the window, but window will be inside the loop. Even then window is inside the loop, it will be called at the end of the loop. So that is about a bottom and bottom. Okay. So now these two commands you learned. You understood. Did you understood this? Address and address, top and top, bottom and bottom.
Yes, sir.
Now there is something called protect and protect. Protect and protect. So now I'll go to the layout. For the timing, I'll remove this top and all. So now what I want to do is, I want to print the barcode, say for example, for material number, this MATNR. I want to convert this into barcode. Then what I will do? I will put paragraph format C2. We have already created a paragraph format C2, correct?
Yes, sir.
I will put a paragraph format C2 here.
Character format.
In the item details, I am putting barcode for each and every material. I'll put a tab space also. Now let us see how the output will be. See now, if you observe, see this is the barcode for this. This is the barcode for this material. For the third material, barcode is coming. For the fourth material, where is the barcode? This is the material number. BPC 1013 is the material number. But where is the barcode?
Next page.
In the next page. Okay, so in the next page, barcode is there. For the fifth, this is a barcode. Sixth, this is 7, this one. But the thing is, my customer, what he will say is, boss, if you want to give the barcode of a material, give it in the same page. If you give the for the fourth material, if you see, the material number is coming in first page, barcode is coming in second page. I don't want like this. If you print both together in the first page, or print both together in the second page. I want both together. Don't split barcodes in the separate page. Don't split the item number in the separate page, like that. Got it? What I'm saying?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in that case, you use protect and protect. Now go to your layout. So use the command here, protect. Protect. Use the command line and say and protect. If you give this, the completely fourth item will be there in the first page or in the second page. It won't split in the first page and second page. I'll go back, execute once again. Now if you observe, see only 3 items are there. Fourth item is not coming here. Fourth item completely will come in the second page. Okay, so this is how you can use a protect and end protect. If you want to get the particular number of lines together, you use protect and end protect. Clear? The protect and end protect command?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then the next command. Next command is new page. So new page, what is this new page? New page means, say for example, here for every page 2 items are getting printed, correct? See, for every page 3 items are getting printed. First item, second item, third item. If you go to the second page, 4th, 5th, 6th. But sometimes my customer, what he will ask is, sometimes the requirement will be like this. In each and every page, print only 2 items. Okay, even though the space is available, print only 2 items in the first page, and remaining items in the next 2 items in the next page, next 2 items in the next page, like that. Keep on go like that. there will be a requirement. Okay. So now if you want to achieve this, what you will do, go to the layout. Okay, here you say you put a command line, you write it here, if count is equal to 2, I'll put it in single quotes, 2. What we need to do? We need to go for a new page, correct? Put here, click on this page. If you click on page, what is happening? New page command is coming up here. If count is 2, do this and end if count is 2, then what it should do? It should go for a new page. Okay. But what will happen? First time count will be 1, second time count will be 2, it will go for a new page, third time count will be 3, correct?
Yes.
So what I will do, I will go to the program. In the program, I'll create one more variable. Say some new of length 3, type C. What I will do, I'll put the count here. New, whatever the count value is there, I'll put it in the new. So that means if the count is 2, new also will become 2. Okay. If what I can do is, otherwise I want new to be every time 1 2, again 1 2, I want 1 2 like that. I just want a logic. I'm just looking for a logic for that. So I'll say count equal to 2.
Count equals to new.
Otherwise I'll do one thing. If new is equal to count by 2, then also I won't get a proper thing. Count by 2 if I give, then what it will have? 2.
Otherwise,
Okay.
give divided, sir. Percentage you give, sir. It will give.
Percentage is not there. Percentage is not there in ABAP. If you want a reminder,
Yes, sir.
you
Is that-
need to always
What you want to use, sir?
do the entire division.
Okay, sir.
What can I do? Count. Say something. I'll take count 1 count equal to 3. What I can do here? Every time I want 1 2, after that again you should be reset, correct?
Yes, sir.
If count is equal to 2, no. How can I reset? I need to write it. Maybe that's it. I need to write a logic here. Say, no need for perform. As you said, we will take the reminder. Okay. So reminder means in SAP there is no percentile. So we need to declare one more variable and we need to take the reminder. So what I will do? Mm, mm, by 2. Count divided by 2. Count divided by 2 if I take.
Sir, if the count is 3, then it will be a decimal point, no sir?
But if you take it as a character, no, then decimal point will not be captured.
Okay. Then it's
Okay.
shifted
Then
to.
if you take a packet decimal or integer, then what will happen? If you take a packet decimal, then what will happen? You need to check inside 0.00, not 00. Okay, fine. Anyway, I will take a variable. So some temp type p decimals, decimals maybe 1 I'll take. What I will do? Temp is equal to count divided by 2, which will be
Sir, otherwise,
count. My count is 2, then it is
sir,
okay. If it is yeah, tell me 1. If it is 0.5, if it is 2, it is 0. If it is 3, if it is 3, then what will happen? It is 1.5. Okay, okay, like that it will be there. Then what I will do? I'll say split temp at dot into temp and new. Okay, let me see. So if new is equal to 0, then I will take some action. So I'll do this and I'll take one more variable.
sir, otherwise I will save on code, sir.
Yeah, tell me. But anyway, this will also work, I guess. So let us see. I'll put a breakpoint here to check what's happening. Instead of count, I'll give here if count greater than 1 and temp1 temporary variable has 0.5. That means temporary variable has something not equal to otherwise. 1 2, okay, 2 it will go for the next page, 2 it will print and go for the next page. Okay, so I'll give equal to 0. Let us see if it works. I'll execute the program. Okay, so now the count is, if you observe, the count is 1. Okay, so first time right form is written, so second time it was coming up here. So now the count is 2. Now if you take the temporary variable 2 by 2, that is 0. So temp you have 1.0. Now temp1 if you take, temp1 also 1.0. Now split the temp1 at dot into temp1 and new. So let me check how much is coming into the new. New 0 is coming up. Okay, so I think it will work now. I'll say F8. Now in this case new will be filled up with 0.5, so it won't work. New will be 5, so it won't work. The next time it will be 8. Okay, fine. I'll say debugging off. Let us see what will happen. No, it was not triggered. If you want to debug the script, you can also debug the script, the code which we are writing inside the script, that also you can debug. I'll just show you. Temp1.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ನೋಡಂತಾರೆ.
Okay, fine. The thing is, new page command will be used to trigger the new page. Fine, I'll do one thing. Instead of doing this everything, I'll put simply one condition. If it is greater than 1, I'll say new page. If count is greater than 2, I'll say go to the new page. Just to show you. You write the logic whenever you have some free time. So I'm going here in the main window. If the count is greater than 2 or greater than, yeah, I'll say if the count is greater than 2, then go for a new page. Sometimes what will happen, the data type also will give the problem. We have given the count as the character value. That will also give problem sometimes.
Sir?
Yeah?
Otherwise, I will tell one quote, sir. You try that one, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, while loop, you do while loop, sir. While count is less than or equal to 1, count is equal to count by 2, sir. Sir, write on, sir. Write in there. While.
But one thing. Wait, I just want to convert this into numeric. I don't want to be there as a character, because character it's not considered the greater than and less than symbols. Okay, I'll make all these as a numeric. Now tell me. While
Count is less than or equal to 1.
Okay.
In that one.
Less than or equal to 1.
No, sir. Not equal to 1 or 0, sir.
Count not equal to 1 or 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll say if condition then. If count not equal to 1 or count not equal to 0. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, inside while loop, count is equal to count by 2, sir. Sir, I will.
Count is equal to count by 2. You are making this as a half. Okay. Count is equal to 1. It will be 2. 2 by 2 again 1.
In that you going that way, sir.
2 by 2 again 1.
You will get 0 or 1, sir. Okay, sir. If count is equal to 0, you go to new line. Otherwise, continue, sir. This is the logic. Sir, understood, sir. Sir, get my point.
Yeah, I got it. Just I'm thinking how to implement it.
Yes, sir.
If count is not equal to 1 or 0, if it is 2, then 2 by 2 will become 1.
Less than 1, sir. Otherwise, 2.
Okay.
Less
fine,
than 2,
fine,
sir.
fine.
Less than 2. It will work.
Fine. Wait. I'll put the count in a different variable, even though new is equal to count.
Sir, this all code is not necessary, sir.
Which one? Yeah, this code is
This
not
not necessary.
required.
This is a simple way,
Correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Wait.
Sir, no
Yeah,
need to
correct.
write if statement,
Let me
sir.
check.
If statement also no need, sir. Yes, sir. Now you write.
Now you tell me. While count
Count
greater than 2, shall I put?
less than 2, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Count
sir.
less than 2.
No, no,
Okay.
no, sir. Greater than 2.
Greater than 2.
Count is equal to count plus.
Count equal to count by 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But the serial number will go away. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If you do like
We do
this,
that one,
serial
sir.
number 1
Yes,
to
sir. Yes, sir. I thinking that one also, sir. I'm doing the. If you do that one.
greater than 2, then what will happen? This is 2 by 2, 1. Again 2 will come. Next time also
Okay, sir.
1. It
Before.
will become 1 always.
Yes. No, sir. 0 or 1.
So now say for example count is 3.
Yes.
3 by 2, 1.5. So 1 will come here as a count. Next time it will be 2. So it won't go. Next time again it will be 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So it will be, one time it will be 0, other time it won't give the result at all.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, 2 by, it is 3 by 2, 1 will come. After that 2 will come. Again 1 will come. 2 will come. 1, 2, 1, 2 like that is coming up now. Correct?
Yes, sir. 1, 2. You can choose that one.
Yeah.
If you got 2.
Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
So it will come as 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay?
Okay, sir. If you give 2, it's a new, sir.
Fine. Good. So now let me check the count.
Okay, sir. It will count varying, sir.
The script also I will modify.
Sir, before doing that,
It will vary. It will vary.
that's why, sir.
It will vary. First see. First what will happen? It will be 1. Count will be 1. Count will be 2. After that what will happen? Count will be 3. When count is 3, it will again count will become, here it will change and count will become 3 by 2. That is 1.
Yeah.
It's not 1.5 because we are taking the
Numeric.
numeric value of 3.
Yes,
it
sir.
will become 1. Yeah, it will
Yes.
become 1. Okay, then it will come back once again with 1 plus 1 is 2.
Yes, sir.
It won't execute. So okay, let us see. It should give some value. Let us see. So now,
Sir,
what I'll
before
do,
going-
I'll go to the layout. Tell me.
If you give if statement, sir, before while.
Anyway, let us see one good logic for this. Tell me. Not here, correct?
Yes, sir, not here.
In the report before while.
If
What do you want to put in before while?
if, sir,
If
if count is greater than 3, sir.
greater than 3.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Anyway, while this also considered only count is greater than 3, correct?
Yes,
Count is
sir.
greater than 2 means it's 3 only.
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Let it be. What will happen? Let us see.
Sir, you should avoid the count, sir. That's why I'm saying that one. Sir, getting, sir?
count will also vary, no,
Count,
sir?
count assign the another value, sir. You change the another value. Don't change the count. That's why I am saying if, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Anyway, just wait. I just want to show you how the new page will work. Okay. This logic you just take care. So, what is the count? Count is 1. Okay. So it will now count is 2. It will not go inside. Now count is 3. So it will go inside and making the count as
Two.
2. No, it's numeric. It's
Not working,
not
sir.
making the correct value.
Yes, sir.
Debugging
You put
switch to
integers,
classical
sir.
debugger. It's not working.
You should put
Debugger switch to debugging off. Let us see whether new page is working. Yeah, now the new page is working even. See. Now two are coming. Okay, only 2 items are coming. Third item it's not coming because of the new page. If you go there, this is only the third item is coming. Count here serial number. Don't care of the serial number. Serial number is keep on changing. So third item is coming up here. A fourth item is coming up in the next page. Fifth item is coming up in the next page. Like that, it's keep on varying. Okay, you just try the new page command instead of wasting time now. So now you know just what I tried. You know, correct? I just tried to get the count. Okay, so I just want to have a count of 1 to page number. Whenever the page number of items are 2, then I want to get some flag or something like that. Then use the flag and make the changes in the layout. You try to do it when you have a time.
okay, sir.
So just the syntax is you put it in if condition and put a new page. At the time, what will happen? New page will trigger. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then what other command I want to tell you? Okay. If you want to download the script, so say for example, if you have a 2 server, EC1 and EC4, if you want to download the script from EC1 and if you want to upload the script into EC4, how to do it? Go to SE38. There is a standard SAP program, RSTXSCRP. Give this program, execute. Okay, give the script name here, zdelnote. What is the language? So language is English. You are trying to export it now. Okay, and execute it. So it will ask that your file path. Where shall I export this? In the desktop, export it to delnote.txt. Export. Click on save. So what it was saying? Transport object form zdelnote is being processed. Language vector is used as German and definition is E is exported. So object was exported. That means if I go to my desktop now, in my desktop there is an object called zdelnote.txt file. Because this see zdelnote. So some code is there inside. Now if you want to upload the same delnote, same layout in some other server, what you will do? Log into the other server, go to the same program. What is the program name? rsdx scrp, go to this program, execute, give the script name. Now you say import. Assume that now you are in the other server, but because I don't have other server login, I am just saying you in the same server, but assume that now you are in the other server. If you are in the other server, now you say import and execute. It will ask from which file path shall I import. Previously we have exported, correct? So from there you import it. So take this ZL note. It will, after that it will say object import imported and activated. Okay, so this is how, if a script is there in one or some other system, you can copy it to your system, rather your server, what I can say.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, that program will download it, sir, for that one.
Which one? This program? This one? Which one? Driver
No,
program?
no,
Huh?
no. No, driver program I am asking.
Driver program, you just copy and paste.
Okay.
Because inside the script there are many windows and measurements, etc., etc. All those things, paragraph format, tab spaces, if you want to copy, it will take a lot of time, correct?
Okay, sir.
So instead of that, you can use this program, RSTXX SCRP.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then what else I want to show you? Yeah, if you want to debug the script, how to debug the script? Go to SE71, go to utilities, there is something called activate debugger. Click on this, activate debugger. So your script debugger was activated. Now go to the driver program. I'll remove this code for the time being. Now I'll try to execute. So now debugger has started. Okay, so this is the debugger. Click on OK. Give the printer LP01 output device. So click on print preview. Now if you observe, so now the script execution always starts with main window. Okay, so it's come to the main window. In the main window text element we have given is item, we have given protect and protect, and we have given count and all, correct? So all those things are coming into the picture. They are printing one by one. What is the count? 001. What is the LIPS MATNR? DPC 1010. What is the ARKTX? That is this one. Like that, you can see all the values in a debugging of the script. Okay, and if you can trace some values are going wrong, why it was going wrong, where it was going wrong, everything you can see while debugging the script. Okay. Script is client dependent or independent?
Client dependent, sir.
Client dependent, why?
Why? It means we can't. Language will also change, and settings also changes, sir.
So if you go to the table SE11, go to the table STXH. there is something called TD name. Here I will give Z del note script name and execute. Okay, so this is my script related details. This is the person who has created the script. On this date he is created. This is the language in which the script definition is there, so and so on and so forth. This table stores script related information. Okay, this table has a field MANDT. So now tell me, script is client
Dependent, sir. Client dependent.
Client dependent. Why? Because this table has MANDT field.
MANDT field.
So if a table has MANDT field, the data of the table is client dependent.
Yes, sir.
So script is also client dependent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is one important question you will get in interviews. Script is client dependent or independent. Fine. So we'll stop here. So with this we can conclude with the script. In the next class we'll start with the smart forms.
Hello, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. Hello.
Sir, you are writing so many queries, sir. You can use inner join.
We can
good.
use inner join for all entries.
No problem, right?
Yeah, not a problem.
Okay, sir.
You can always use inner join for all entries. See, what I can suggest you is in the script. I will execute. One moment. SE38. I'll go here. See now here, what is this country? DE. DE means what?
German.
DE means what?
Country.
Germany. DE means Germany.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you try to write a code instead of DE. I want Germany here. From which table it will be there? In which table this will be there? I will show you in which table it will be there. Go to SE11. Okay. Go to ADRC. Country means land 1. Okay. So let us see where is the country.
Here, sir. Last one.
So this is the one country. Okay. So now you go to the T005 table. The T005 table. I'll give country as D. Oh, wait, not here. T005T table I'll go, not T005, I'll go to T005T. So now if you observe, see what is the table? T005T. In the T005T table, I'll give the country DE. So now for the country DE, what is the country name? DE means Germany.
Germany.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I want this in English language. So Germany
fast.
country in English language I want to write. The spelling of the German country I want in English language. So this is Germany. Okay. So can you pick up this value and put it in the script address?
Yes, sir.
Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Try to do that. and take the help of inner joint as you said.
Yes, sir. We
You
can't.
told no, like we use the inner joint. Here you can use the inner joint and pick the land X.
I already done, sir. Inner join I already used it in script, sir. That's why.
Oh, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So like say based on some requirement you can use the inner joint for all whatever you want you can use it.
Okay, sir. Sir, inner
Just
join
need
we
to know
can
the
use
technique.
so many tables, right? More than 3 we can use inner join.
No, no, no. Don't use inner joint for more
But
than
it
3
will work, sir.
tables. No, like but it will work means see some cases are there in which it will fail. For
Okay.
example, I will tell you. I have a table like this. Okay, so here I have a material number, some 100, some description, something I have. Here I have 101. But when you use inner join for more than 3 tables, performance will drastically go low. Don't use inner join for more than 3 tables. So something like this, assume one table is there, one database table, and this is another database table. Some 100, the common field is, say this is the one, MATNR is a common field in between these two tables. 100, 101 is there, 102 is not there, and this is, assume that this is MAKTX, material description, and this is MEINS, unit of measure. Unit of measure is PC, and here also PC. Okay, so now in the output, what I want by using inner join, I want MATNR, MEINS, and then MAKTX. This is what I want in the output. Okay, so now tell me, can you tell me what is the output?
100
Hmm.
PC
Okay.
ADC
Hmm.
101 PC and FGH.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's it. You will not get 1 or 2 GFHG. This record, like for 1 or 2 there is no entry maintained in this table.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So if there is no entry in the table, you will not get the corresponding record in your inner join.
Yes, sir.
Have you observed this?
Yes,
You try to do it with some tables, some database table. You try to join based on an inner join.
Okay, sir.
So if the data is present in both the tables, then only
it will come, sir.
the output will come.
Yes. Otherwise it will not come.
Otherwise it won't come.
Yes, sir.
But if you use for all entries,
Okay, sir.
this third record will also come.
Sir, oh, sir, you gave that keyword, right? With the based on the
Which keyword?
in the read statement you give key, right?
In the read statement we will give the key.
Key.
Say for this key will fail.
Select,
This key will fail, but even then it is there. MAKTX is there, it will simply fill the MAKTX. In this table it's not there, so what? It will fill MAKTX. Because it in this table it is not there, it won't fill MEINS alone.
Okay.
Got it what I'm saying?
No,
But,
sir,
but
I am
inner
not.
join is not like that.
Sir, I am not getting, sir.
Okay.
What you're, sir,
Yeah?
I am not getting, sir. What you are telling.
What I'm saying is, see, I will get the data from this into one internal table.
Okay, sir.
So I will get 4 records into one internal table. I will get 2 another internal table. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now what I will do, I will loop this. Loop at this internal table 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
First record MATNR are found in this.
Yes, sir.
So PC, whatever is there, that PC will come and sits here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And it will also fill the ADC. It will fill the ADC. And
Okay.
second record 101 found here. So it will put the PC.
Yes, sir.
Third record 102, there is no entry here.
No entry.
So it will not put anything. It will put a blank here. But GFG will get, you will get this in for all entries.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
But you will not get this entry at all in inner join.
Inner join. Okay, sir.
Okay. So that is the difference. But the thing is, performance will go low if number of tables are more than 3.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So we'll meet in the next class. Okay.
When, sir? Too?
Probably
Will
you
you
just ask.
take on tomorrow?
Ask. Yeah, that's what. You just check with the Rajkumar because today I want to come there, but I
Yes,
think
sir.
there was some problem with the systems. Okay.
Okay,
If
sir.
possible, I'll come there tomorrow. I'll come to the
Tomorrow,
Bashvesh
sir.
Nagar tomorrow.
Sir, at what time, sir?
Maybe
Time?
around 2 o'clock after lunch. Around
After
2 o'clock
lunch.
I'll be there. Around 2
Yes.
o'clock. That is my intention. But you just check with the Rajkumar whether 2 o'clock systems are available.
Okay, sir. We will confirm that, sir.
Uh,
Confirm that, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
We'll talk with Rajkumar and we will confirm that one, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine then.
Okay,
So
sir.
meet tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.